Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're covering a quick but essential skill in Power BI, how to apply and manage currency formatting for your numeric fields, ensuring your sales or price data displays correctly as money. Step 1. Select the field to format. First, look at the Fields pane on the right side of your Power BI desktop. Locate the numeric column you want to format as currency, for example, a field named Sale Price or Estimated Mortgage Payment. Click once on that specific field name in the Fields pane. This selection is crucial because it tells Power BI which column you intend to modify. Step 2. Access Column Tools. As soon as you select the field, a new contextual tab will appear in the main ribbon at the top of the screen called Column Tools. This tab contains all the data type and formatting options specific to the column you just clicked. Find the formatting group within the Column Tools tab. Step 3. Apply currency formatting. In the formatting group, click the Currency button, the $ icon. Power BI immediately applies the default currency formatting, usually the dollar symbol, to that column across your entire report. Step 4. Change the currency symbol, or locale. If you need a currency other than the default $, locate the Currency drop-down menu right next to the Currency button. Click the drop-down and select the specific locale or currency symbol you require, for instance, Euro, EU, or British Pound, Pound. This instantly updates the formatting on the selected column. Quick tip: if your formatted column temporarily disappears from a visual after making this change, simply unselect and reselect the field in the Fields pane to refresh the visual's display. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.